Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also please leave your valuable comments. You can also visit my playlist. In the playlist, I have provided almost all the topics in a very systematic order. You can also make use of it. In the last class, we were discussing about the clinical application of the Vata Dosha especially. Therefore, what is Vata inside the body? Another important term which is given is Gati. In relation to Vata, we have got two words, Gati and Gandhana. Gandhana, that we have seen in the last class. So another important term is Gati, so which suggests the movement, mostly almost all the motor movements, almost all the passive movements, active movements, okay, movements across the cell wall, and also the movement of the internal with the external environment. So basically, in the contemporary science, if you want to explain almost all the motor movements, all the sympathetic and parasympathetic movements, movements of the blood and fluids, osmosis, diffusion and pinocytosis like processes, then movement of the air in the respiratory tract, even all the movements are included under Vata. It is not only nervous system, all the movements. So therefore, Vata has been very clearly told as Tantradhara and as well as Yantradhara. Okay. So it integrates the whole body and also the individual structures of the body. To maintain the yantra means the avayava should be in place. To maintain the yantra, avayava should be in a place, and that is the function of the Vata. There should be control over the brahmana, that is circulation. So now if you want to maintain the yantra, okay, one thing is all the avayava should be there in the place. Then there should be a control over the brahmana circulation. There should be a control over the sthana, place, and also control over the sangraha, deposit. So these are all the functions of Vata. Therefore, it is called as Vayustantra Yantradhara. And these are the references of Charaka. Vayustantra Yantradhara, Prana, Udhana, Samana, Vyana, Apanadmaha, Pravartakaha, Cheshtanam, Uchhanam, Vachan. So all these functions, if you see, comes under this particular category. Okay. Now, the area of the Vata is not limited to the nervous system. Again and again I am repeating, because this most common mistake when we do when we teach the students. It's not like that. What area of the Vata or purview of the Vata is not only limited to the nervous system. It is involved each and every activity of the body. All the activities of the body. Many movements of the body are not directly related to the nervous system. Otherwise, if you see, for example, circulation is not much related to nervous system. Okay, but still it is a function. And the movement of the air in the bronchial tree, not much related to nervous system, but still it is a function. Diffusion and the osmosis, they are not much related to nervous system, but it is a function. Or movement of the urinary flow. So that means all the movements, irrespective of nervous system, it is included under the functioning of Vata. Now, to understand the dosha, we have to always understand two important things. One is Swarupalinga and another one is Karmalinga. To understand any dosha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, any dosha, two things are must. One is Swarupa should be known, another Karma, functional and another structural. Okay, aspects. Now, Vata Karma. If you look into the Vata Karma, Praspandana. Now, Praspandana is called as function of the Vata, especially Vyana Vata. So, what is the meaning? All the body movements, circulation, etc. Vyana Vata Karma is a Praspandana. What is the Pranavata Karma? Pranavata Karma is Udvahana. Udvahana refers to sending the Indriyarthas upwards. Udvahana. Ud means upwards. That is all the sensory inputs. Okay. Udvahana. Prana is responsible for all the sensory functioning. Sending the Indriyarthas. Indriyarthas, that is sensory outputs, sensory input to the brain. Okay. Then Purana. Purana means filling. Okay. That is a function of the Samanavata. The movement of the food in the GI tract. Okay, Samanavata, all the GAT movements. Viveka. Viveka is the function of Udana. This is according to Shushruta. Viveka is according the function of Udhanavata. That means all the higher mental functions. Viveka. Viveka, thinking, that is only possible in the higher mental functions. Cortex, function of the cortex. Okay, grey matter, especially grey matter nucleus, etc. So speech related movements, then cognition. So that is the function of the Udhanavata. Similarly, Apanavata, all the excretory movement, it is not only the urine, not only the fecal material, sweat, and even the excretion, that is expiration taking place through the respiration, that is also putting so many waste products outside. So these are the Vata karmas. So by looking at it, there are almost all the functions are related to the movement. Okay, therefore all these movements are the gati, which is one of the main function of the Vata. Now if you look into Vata Swarupa, Vata karma we have seen, Vata Swarupa. Dosha Swarupa is mentioned by its guna and Panchabhautika constitution. In Ayurveda, the dosha Swarupa, structure of the doshas are mentioned by its guna and as well as the Panchabhautika constitution. Now Rukshatva or Rukshana. Rukshana means it dries up everything. Bala Shosha is also type of Rukshana. Okay, energy draining. Mamsa Shosha, that is also a type of Rukshana. Meda Shosha, Drava Shosha. Okay, so this Rukshana is the function of Vata. So Vata is Sukshma. So as it circulates, another quality guna. So see what I told is Vata Swarupa should be understood by that is Dosha Swarupa should be understood by two things, guna and as well as Panchabhautika constitution. Now gunas we are understanding now. Okay, we are looking into the gunas. Rukshana we have seen. Similarly Sukshma, Vata is having Sukshma guna, so that it is able to circulate in each and every part of the minute channels, capillaries, and even where the diameter is less than 0.001 micron, there also the Vata is circulating. How it is possible? That is, one is Vata is omnipotent, it is present everywhere. And how it is possible to move there? Because it is having Sukshma guna. Okay, it can enter into the minute channels also. Further, Charaka says that Vata is or Vayu is Anushna Shita. Vayu is basically Anushna Shita. Anushna means not Ushna, not Shita, like that. So during Prakopa state, the Vata leaves the Ushna guna. This is exactly what happens when Vata undergo Prakopa, it leaves back the Ushna guna. So it becomes Shita, leading to Shaitya and vice versa. That means when Vata Prakopa takes place, the Vata leaves the Ushna guna. Okay, when Vata Samanata takes place, Samatva takes place, it takes back the Ushna guna. So when Vata Prakopa is there, so it leaves back this Ushna guna and becomes Shaitya. It becomes Shita and leading to the Shaityatva. That we will see later. There are different variety of the Vata at different places of the body. 5 types of Vatas are there. They are present in the different places of the body. And one which is present in the CNS, or what is that, Murdha Shira, that is called as Pranavata. Tatra Pranavata Murdhani. Okay. The Pranavata and Udanavata is responsible for maximum higher mental functions. Because Pranavata, as I told previously, it is responsible for Udvahana. Udvahana means it is receiving all the sensory signals. And based on these sensory signals, the brain will go into give the answer in the form of motor impulses. Okay, in the form of the motor function. So Pranavata and Udanavata, these two are directly related with the cognition functions or higher mental functions of the body. Vyanavata is related to primarily with all the bodily movements which is causing the movement of the fluid. Okay, that is Rasa, Rakta, Dhatu, etc. And even this Vyanavata is responsible for cell division. Even it is responsible for the cell division. The Samanavayu and the Apanavayu basically refers to the gut brain, which is mostly integrated with the digestive and excretory functions. So rest of the things we will going to discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.